Assalamualaikum dan salam sejahtera. Kali ini saya nak tunjukkan kepada anda bagaimana kita nak apply few more features, iaitu Loaf. Okay, Loaf features di dalam 3D solid modeling in AutoCAD. So let's get started. So Loaf ni dia berada home. Kalau kita kat home dia ada modeling. Okay, kita explain ni before this kita dah go through with extrude, and this time we're going to proceed with our next features, which is Loft command. Okay, right? So kita tengok macam mana Loft ni kita boleh applykan dalam 3D solid modeling. Okay, let's say I go to Southwest isometric view dulu. Okay, I'm going to make sure that it should be parallel. Dia tak semesti Southwest isometric view ya. Kalau you nak pergi Southeast isometric view pun boleh. Okay, kalau you nak bermula daripada Northeast isometric view pun boleh. Tapi normally why I always refer to Southwest isometric view ni, because ini adalah merupakan view 3D view yang by default lah di dalam AutoCAD. Okay, so that's why I just gunakan yang by default saja. Okay, katakan I'm going to create a circle. Okay, I just pick anywhere here, and let's say the diameter lah. I'm going to use some diameter. Let's say diameter dia I buat, let's say 150 mm, and then I'm going to create another one dekat atas ni, whereby katakan I'm going to create one. I onkan my auto. Okay, katakan guideline. Kalau guideline tak kisah kita tak perlu pada satah XY. So guideline I just simply create over here. Let's say the distance is, katakan kita ambil 300 lah. Okay, and then sekarang ni I nak lukis, I nak draw another one more circle. So kena pada satah XY. So dia pasal dia bukan guideline kita nak lukis ni bukan guideline. So I'm going to create another one more circle, and this time the diameter is about, let's say I'm going to make it 100. Okay, katakan ini I buat 200 dah. I buat 200 besar sikit. Okay, so should be endpoint, and let's I'm going to make the diameter is 200. Enter. Alright, now I can just eliminate this guideline, and then I'm going to copy all this. Senang nanti kalau I nak tunjuk pada you, also no need for me to redraw. Okay, kita dapati bahawa ketinggian antara kedua-dua sketches ni adalah 300. So kalau kita go to Loaf, Loaf, extrude kita dah go through, so kita Loaf, then they will ask us select cross section. So this is sketches kita ni adalah merupakan cross section lah. Okay, so just simply click 1 and 2. Once auto confirm, just press enter. Then kita ambil cross section kan, so just dia ni dah pilih cross section only ni. Okay, you can just simply click here or just press enter. Dan kalau kita go through, kalau kita switch to shaded with edges, it will just look like this. Okay, it will just look like this. Alright. Okay, let's say katakan I'm going to create, katakan this one, I take this one, so I'm going to move this one from here to here. Okay, katakan I'm going to create pada bahagian tengah-tengah ni another ataupun pada bahagian atas ni another one more circle. I'm going to start from here. Let's say bahagian atas ni I'm going to make 200 jarak dia. and then I'm going to create my circle, okay, pada part satah XY, okay. Katakan dia punya diameter. Now I'm going to make it a bit bigger, 150, let's say, for example. So I'm going to eliminate this guideline. Okay, tadi I click this one first and this one second. Okay, you can straight away so go to Loaf and then pick step by step pun boleh. Sebelum tu I copy dulu lah pasal nanti I nak tunjuk dekat you all perbezaan dia. Senang. I'm going to pick it over here. Go to Loaf and then I'm going to pick step by step 1, 2, 3. Okay. And once bila dah you pilih ketiga-tiga cross section ni ataupun sketches ni, you just press enter dan kita pilih cross section only, right? So kalau dia memang nampak macam ni kalau dalam 2D wireframe, so kita kena nak tengok dia, kita kena be shaded with edges, so it looks like that. Okay, dan andai kata kalau kita switch back to 2D wireframe and sekiranya kita pergi kepada Loft, kita tak ikut step by step, maknanya bukan sequence. Okay, kita pilih ni dulu and then kita pilih sini dulu, bukannya sini. Tadi yang ni yang untuk yang Loaf for this one kita pilih ni kan, let's say kita pilih di sini and then baru kita pilih sini, kita tengok macam mana dia bentuk dia. So once to confirm, click OK, then close section only. So kalau kita nak tengok, kita pada shaded with edges, we will do like that. Okay guys, so itulah perbezaan. Okay, kalau kita pilih sketches tu ikut sequence ataupun kita tak ikut sequence, seperti yang ni lah, alright. Seperti mana yang saya tunjukkan sebentar tadi. Okay, now itu kalau straightforward ni, it doesn't matter kalau kita nak buat, katakan I go to the frame, I'm going to copy this one. Dia apa-apa bentuk pun tak kisah. Katakan let's say I'm going to create another few more part. So I'm going to click this one, go upwards. Let's say I'm going to make it 250, and then I nak pergi ke sana. Let's say I'm going to make it another 300. Okay, distance dia. Alright, so sekarang ni saya nak buat lukis kata 4 segi pula kat sini. Okay, 4 segi di sini. So I kena ubah my satah XY. Okay, I akan tunjuk pada you all sebelum satu lagi kaedah bagaimana secara straightforward kita nak memindahkan ataupun menukar kedudukan UCS ini. Sebelum ni saya dah tunjuk pada anda, kita buat sahaja one solid rectangle like this. Enter, kan? Lepas tu we just need to go to face, lepas tu pilih dia kan kat mana. Alright, tapi kali ini saya nak tunjuk pada you all satu lagi kaedah di mana kalau kita nak lukis di sini 4 segi, sudah tentu kita kena gunakan left, betul tak? So what we need to do is that we just need to go to here, di sini ada coordinates di sini, expand this arrow, go to left. Dan you all nampak dia dah pindah sini. So barulah mudah untuk kita create 4 segi. Katakan I just simply create one rectangle like this, and then I'm going to move select object, this one, enter. So you nampak dia dah created for us. Dia punya center point of this rectangle shape. So just click this one and move it to here. Right, now saya boleh katakan saya copy dululah, kalau in case kalau apa-apa nanti I nak tunjuk kat you all senang. Right, so now I boleh just simply delete those guidelines, and then I just simply proceed with my extrude. Okay, kalau kita perhatikan dia macam ni kan, Yang tadi tu kita menegak, kali ni dia ada corner macam ni sikit. So I'm going to proceed with not extrude, sorry, I'm going to proceed with Loaf. So kita ikut 1, 2 and 3. So once after confirm, just press enter and then cross section only. Kalau dia dah memang warna ni kan, bulatan hitam ni maknanya dia dah go to here, so maknanya betul lah. Cross section only, so you can just simply press enter atau can just click here. Cross section only. Lepas tu you can go to switch to shaded with edges. Kita nak tengok bagaimana kelihatan. Alright. Okay. So dia akan bentuk seperti ni. Alright, dia akan bentuk seperti ni. So bagaimana pula sekiranya kita melibatkan penggunaan path dan guidelines. Okay. Path tu kalau you perhatikan, katakan I delete this one. Tadi cross section only now I'm going to show to you how are you going to apply path. Okay, katakan I'm going to delete this one. Okay, I'm going to delete this one and then I'm going to create one line here, guideline. So in this particular case, pasal I nak mengguna guideline tu nanti I akan guna semula. That's why I kena buat guideline tersebut pada sata XY. Yang tadi kalau yang tidak memerlukan guideline, yang tidak memerlukan penggunaan sata XY ni, kalau kita nak dia sebagai kita punya reference saja. Tetapi guideline ni kita nak guna selepas ni. So I kena make sure that my sata XY should be facing the other side, which is right. Okay, right. So I'm going to go to here, go to right. Oh, tak boleh. Katakan kita previous. Go to previous first kalau nak selamat. So should be front. Okay, not right, front. So go to here, go to front. Okay, front. There you are. So XY is here. So now we can proceed with our line. Guideline nanti kita akan guna semula. So I'm going to make it like that. Dan katakan saya nak buat radius di sini sebanyak 50 mm. I'm going to pick radius as a fillet. Then radius with, let's say, 50 mm. Then press enter. Then I'm going to choose this one and choose this one. Okay. Radius 50 mm, enter. This one, I nak tengok dulu dia bercantum tak. Oh, dia tak bercantum, sorry, patut tak boleh. You have to make sure that bercantum. So I'm going to make sure this one at the center. Okay, baru bercantum tulisan dia. So I'm going to make sure that the radius is 50 mm. So kalau dah memang 50 di sini, just press enter. Click this one and this one. There you are. Katakan 50 ni terlalu kecil lah. I'm going to make it besar sikit, mungkin 80 mm. So I'm going to undo. Okay. I'm going to pick again my fillet. Go to radius, let's say 80 mm. Then enter. So pick this line and pick this line. There you are. So bila you dah pick this line, macam I cakap tadi, kita nak guna line ni sebagai kita punya path. Okay, path ni dia perlu berada pada tengah-tengah titik pusat, iaitu kalau macam bulatan ni should be at the center, titik pusat of this or center of the circle. Kalau empat segi ni dia perlu berada di center of this rectangle. Okay, kalau bentuk empat segi ni. Okay, so itu untuk path. Okay, dia kena setiap ujung path ni kena perlu berada pada center of each sketches yang terlibat. So ini, don't forget to join. So we're going to join, and we're going to join all these line, all these three entities, then press enter. Check. Okay. So instead kita confirm kita dah join this guideline. So now we can proceed with our I switch to 2D wireframe. We're going to proceed with our Loaf. So go to Loaf here, and then I'm going to pick this one, 1, 2, Alright, and then press enter. Then kita pergi pada path, not guides. Okay, remember tadi saya cakap path ni dia punya guidelines ni perlu berada pada center of each sketches yang terlibat. So we go to path, we're going to select this one. Okay, we're going to select the one. So it will just look like that. So kalau kita go through shade with edges, it will look like that. Okay, alright. Katakan kalau I'm going to do it again, but this time I'm going to play around with katakan I'm going to copy this one, put here, and this time I'm going to maintain with this one, and let's say I'm going to pick another one more here, and let's say upwards 300, and this time I'm going to make it jauh sedikit sebanyak let's say 800, and then I'm going to create one circle here. Okay, dia tak kisah berapa banyak apa sketch yang kita nak hasilkan. Okay, so terlebih dahulu kita pergi kepada tekan banyak-banyak kali previous ni sampai dia dah tak boleh bergerak lagi. So means that ini adalah default dia. So kalau kita nak create another one more circle ataupun box or whatever shape dekat sini, so it should be left, kan? Should be left kalau kat sini. So go to here, then go to left. There you are. So box ni yang tadi ni box ni, okay, box ni tadi previously box ni tadi kan, box ni sebenarnya pada world coordinate system ni dia mewakili yang box yang sebenarnya sama je dengan yang I buat ni tadi lah, yang sebelum ini I ajar pada you all kan, bagaimana kita nak guna yang face ni, sama je konsep dia, tapi kali ini saya tunjuk pada you all bagaimana kita nak gunakan kotak pada world coordinate system ni lah. Salah satu kaedah dia, cara dia. So left, I switch back to left, go to left, there you are, sata XY macam ni. So katakan buat bulatan lah, buat bulatan. Let's say I'm going to make it the diameter. Okay, the diameter this I'm going to make it 150 meter. Alright. Tapi garisan ni tadi I buat under YX kan. So kita buat balik lah. Kita buat tak apa. Kita buat balik nak confirmkan semula. So should be front. Kat front. So go to front. Right. So I'm going to click this one. Just klik saja garisan pada bulatan ni. You can trim kalau you nak, tapi kalau dalam AutoCAD fillet ni dia akan automatic hilangkan lah kalau kita buat. Sebelum tu kita tengok dia, dia bersentuhan. Okay, so kita go to radius. Manakala radius katakan saya nak buat 200 lah, 200 mm, enter. So click this one and click this one. Alright. Okay. So the other one kita just sambung saja pada bahagian bawah dengan sini. And don't forget to join it. Join this one, this one, this one, and also this line. So then press enter to confirm. Just go to here, click. Okay, dia dah join all together. So we can proceed with our loft. So let's say I'm going to pick this one first, this one second, this one third. Press enter. Okay. Kalau kita go to path, remember path, not guides, not guides line, but a path. This one. So go to path and then click this one. And once kita, okay, dia dah exit kan. Kalau tak ada apa-apa ni maknanya dia exit kan. So if we go to shaded with edges, it looks like that. Okay, so like that. Okay, sama juga kalau dengan dua ni, kata let's say I'm going to copy this one. Sebelum tu I pergi kepada 2D wireframe dulu lah. So katakan I'm going to copy this one. I click this one di sini. Okay. Katakan kali ini tadi I dah tunjuk path. Okay, di sini I dah tunjuk path. Ini straightforward. Okay, kalau kita perhatikan, kita go to here. Ini path, this one path, this one dia cross section, dia tak ada melibatkan path. Kalau ini katakan bagaimana kalau saya nak tunjukkan guide. Okay, I tunjukkan yang dua ni dulu. Katakan kita nak tunjuk guideline. Let's say I'm going to switch to 2D frame. Katakan I'm going to create, okay, since my XY plane satah XY is, so I'm going to create one line here and another line here. Tengok katakan I'll copy this one first. Go to here, go to here. Right. So now, katakan I'm going to pick spline. Oh, sorry, polyline. Okay, I'm going to pick polyline, this one. Okay, not spline, but polyline. Okay, polyline, click polyline. And then let's say I'm going to, okay, I kena ada guideline dulu. This one kena ada guideline dulu di sini. And then I'm going to have another one guideline over there. Okay, now katakan I'm going to pick my polyline here, and then I'm going to start at here, my intersection. Click this one, and let's say I'm going to off my auto. Katakan I'm going to pick somewhere around here, over there, and then I'm going to close it at this intersection. Alright, and another one here. So probably I'm going to pick polyline again, and this time I'm going to pick here and straight away here. Alright, so ini polyline ni kita tak payah join lah, pasal polyline ni dia dah memang line dia dah join automatically for us. Okay, once after we already created this one, we can just simply delete all this guideline. Kita tak nak pakai. Katakan copy ni, saya letakkan tepi dulu. Okay, now I'm going to on back my auto. Kalau tak on pun tak apa, just in case I just auto on. So I'm going to proceed with my loft. You remember yang guidelines dia mesti bersentuhan pada bahagian sisi, tak kira di mana-mana, mana any point, tetapi bahagian sisi each of the related sketches. Okay, dia kena betul. Kalau path tadi dia kena pada center point to center point, tak kira apa bentuk sketch yang terlibat, polygon ke or whatever bentuk. Okay, so dia kena berada pada kalau path I'm talking about path, dia kena berada pada center point to another certain point, dan kalau ada lagi to another certain point, kalau ada lagi to another certain point to center point, and etc. Okay, tetapi kalau guidelines untuk guide, dia perlu menyentuh. Okay, dia kena sentuh, dia tak boleh terlebih dan dia tak boleh terkurang. Dia kena memang betul-betul berada pada atas garisan sketch atau cross section yang terlibat. So ingat dia bukan berada tetapi perlu menyentuh, tak kira di mana titik sekalipun. Okay, di mana any point on this sketch or any point on this particular sketch. So katakan now I'm going to, ini petak-petak kan, so I nak kasih dia smooth, polyline smooth. So what I need to do is that I just need to go pick this one, klik dulu, then right click, you pergi pada polyline, then you go to spline fit. Okay, nampak? Okay, dia akan smooth. Sama juga kat sini saya nak buat smooth kan dia. Click this one, right click, go to polyline, and then spline fit. Okay, now kalau kita perhatikan, ia akan kelihatan seperti ini. Right, now we can proceed with our, you boleh buat lagi you boleh buat lagi beberapa lagi, tapi let's say I nak tunjuk yang ni terlebih dahulu. Okay, we go to Loaf. Okay, and then we pick here 1 and 2. Alright, okay, press enter, then kita pilih guides. Okay, guides, katakan I pilih satu saja dulu, I pilih di sini saja dulu. Kita tengok apa kata jadi. Okay, Ini saya tak pilih lagi ya. Saya pilih satu sebelah ni saja. Enter. Okay, kalau kita go to shade with the edges, nampak dia akan skewed at one place. Dia akan follow. Dia akan follow pada guidelines ni tadi yang kita pilih tadi. Tetapi sekiranya, saya tak copy tadi ya. Tak apa, kalau kita undo lah. Undo. Oops. Okay, itu should be okay. Tengok dulu. Shade with the edges. Okay, shade with the edges. Let's say this time I'm going to Loaf, and I'm going to use both of the guidelines that I've created. So once after you already selected the cross section, press enter, guides, and this time I nak buat pilih dua-duanya di sini. Okay, dan press enter. Okay, kalau kita go to shade of the edges, nampak dia akan follow. Maknanya separuh daripada solid modeling ini dia akan follow this guideline. Separuh lagi daripada solid modeling ini dia akan skewed, ataupun dia akan follow guidelines yang kita buat pada sebelah sini pula. Tetapi di sini kalau saya rotate, okay, if I rotate, di sini dengan di sini dia akan maintain. Why? Because kita tak ada guideline, so dia akan maintain go to here. Dia akan maintain go to here, sebelah sini. Okay, so you can create another guide juga kat sini. Katakan for this particular case, katakan I'm going to copy this one. Okay, I change this to sorry, I need to switch this to the wireframe dulu, baru nampak mudah kita nak change this one to spline fit, same as well as this one. Go to Polyline dan spline fit. Katakan I nak buat pada sebelah sini pula, so definitely I need to have my guideline yang ini just as a reference only, kita tidak akan gunakan. Okay, this as our reference pasal kita nak dapat nanti ni intersection ni. Alright, so okay, now kalau I nak buat di sini dan di sini, so kedudukan my SATA XY ni pun perlu berubah lah. So I go to previous, so kalau I nak buat itu kena left, should be left. So I'm going to pick this one, go to left. There you are. So my XY seperti ini. So now we can proceed with my spline. Oh sorry, polyline, not spline. I pun selalu confuse antara spline dan polyline. So polyline, then go to here. Let's say okay, I off my auto so that I can model free. I'm going to make it here, and then last here. Dan once I confirm, press escape. So I click this, katakan I nak masukkan sedikit di sini, right? And then another side here. Let's see, this time go to Polyline. This time I'm going to make it ke dalam sedikit dulu, lepas tu keluar, lepas tu baru pergi ke sini. So make sure you pilih intersection. Okay, kat sini kalau tak dapat, you just please shift, lepas tu right click, go to intersection. So it should be here. To rotate. So kalau betul-betul intersection here, kalau tak boleh kita buat semula. Okay, dia tidak ada kedudukan yang betul. So katakan I'm going to redo Polyline, click here ke dalam sikit, over here, and then there you are. Okay, intersection. So kalau untuk kalau kita rotate this one, okay, the one line, okay, one line di sana, it should be okay. Now I can just simply eliminate or delete those guidelines. kita buat ni tadi. Okay, now tengok I'm going to switch this to spline fit, same as well as this one yang I created just now. Okay, I'm going to Polyline and then spline fit. Okay, now we can proceed with our Loft. Okay, we're going to pick the cross section first, these two sketches first, and then press enter. Lepas tu kita go to guides and then kita pilih semua guide yang kita buat tadi. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Kita tengok apa akan terjadi. Then press enter. Then kita go to shader with layers. Nampak? Okay, so dia akan, yang ni dia akan follow this one. Yang ni tadi dia akan follow guideline this one. Okay, same as well as this side as well. Bahagian tepi di sini. Okay, so itulah berkaitan apa tools which are related dengan guides untuk Loft. Alright. Okay, so let's switch back to 2D wireframe. Dan katakan kali ni kita nak buat yang 3 pula. 3 di sini. Katakan I'm going to switch back to previous my UCS. Then let's see, this time I'm going to create, okay, I just simply create, I just simply without any dimension, one here box, and let's say I'm going to create a guideline reference. Okay, reference guidelines auto on. So kalau reference saja, reference guidelines, kita tak perlu pada satu XY pun tak apa, pasal kita lepas tu kita akan delete, kita tak akan guna kan. So let's say here, and let's say over there. Okay, dan katakan I'm going to create one circle here pula, one circle here. Oh, kalau I nak buat circle sini, mana my XY ni, XY punya satah kena berada pada left. So I'm going to go to left like that, and then I'm going to create my circle here. So I'm going to measure point. Kata dia pun I just simply create like this. Okay, ini kata I delete this one. Unless I'm going to proceed with another one more line here. Dan kali ini katakan I'm going to somewhere around here. Dan kali ini katakan another one more circle lah. Oh, tak boleh. Maaf. Sata XY. Okay. So masa pertama saya kena front lah. Okay, my sata XY. So go to front. There you are. Then baru I boleh buat. I boleh this one. Okay, now since my XY punya sata like this, so I'm going to create. Now I'm going to delete this one. Okay, so I'm going to create my guidelines over here. So here straight, here straight. And then I'm going to create my fillet. Let's say the radius is, let's say 60. Here 60 too small, so I'm going to make it, let's say 200. Enter. How about 200? The radius also still cheap. To make it 500 lah. Okay, radius, then I'm going to make it 500. Enter. Pick this one here and this one here. Okay, then I need to make sure that all these they will join together. So I'm going to join all of this. Then enter. Okay. Now I'm going to change the positions of my XY in order to create another one more here. So I'm going to make sure that my XY macam ni, previously, so that I can just simply create my line like this. Okay, and then again I'm going to make radius, let's say this time I'm going to make it 700. Enter the value. It should be fine, and then I'm going to join it together. I'm going to join all these. Enter. And then we do have two of this one, so we have to join this one and this one. Enter. There you are. Then we can proceed with our loaf. 1, 2, and 3. And if we press enter, kita pergi pada path. Ingat pasal kita tengah-tengah semua tadi kan. So we go to path, click this one. There you are. Right, so if we go to shaded view edges, it looks like that. Okay, you can play around with this one later on. Okay guys, katakan kali ini saya nak buat guideline pula. Ini kita dah buat path tadi kan, tunjukkan di sini. Katakan kali ini saya nak buat guideline. So I'm going to switch to my 2D wireframe first, and then let's say I just simply draw without any dimension. You can just indicate the dimension if you want to. So let's say this is shape of a rectangle. So then I'm going to create my, let's say just simply I'm going to on my ortho, and let's say oops, I'm going to redo this, just a reference cut line here and here, let's say, okay, like this. And I'm going to create a circle, okay, let's say for example circle here. So I need to change the position of my XY plane, so it should be left. So go to here, pick left like that, and then I'm going to create some around here. Let's say just simply create a circle like this, okay, without any dimension. You can indicate the dimension if you want to. Okay, now let's see, I'm going to delete this one, okay, and let's say I'm going to create a guideline here, and also here. This is a reference line, so that I can have the intersection with this one, same as well as this one. Katakan with this one pada mid plane, and then I'm going to change again the position of my XY plane because I nak buat guideline di sini kan. So my position of my plane pun XY plane akan berubah lah. So I go to previous first, and then should be front. Click here, and go to front like that. And then now I'm going to create, let's see, I'm going to use Polyline. Let's say start from this endpoint. Okay, I'm going to off my ortho. Let's say 1, 2, and okay, intersection 3. Then press escape. Another one more Polyline here. Sorry, not spline, Polyline. Now dia kat bahagian atas pula, this endpoint, one here, another one here, another one here, and another one, let's say this intersections. Press escape. Okay, then don't forget, okay, kalau polyline again kalau polyline ni kita tak perlu join dengan ni lah, because dia automatically join for us. So I now make this line polyline smooth. So just click this line, click this one, right click, and then go to Polyline Spline Fit, same as well as this one. Click this one, right click, Polyline, and then go to Spline Fit. Alright, now I can eliminate both of these lines, so like this, and now I can proceed with my Loaf. So this is the first cross section, first sketch. My second sketch, press enter, and ini tadi kita dah pilih path because garisan dia berdiri tadi tengah-tengah, kali guideline di tengah-tengah. Kali ini guideline di pada bahagian sisi atau bahagian tepi yang menyentuh these related sketches. So I need to use guides, Kat dia mana? This one kan? 1 and 2. There you are. Okay, so they can follow exactly like that. So once to confirm, just click OK. And then if you go to shaded with edges, and if we rotate, it will look like that. Okay, they can follow according to the our guidelines which we have created just now. Okay guys, so I think that's all about the Loaf. Hopefully that you can play around with this command. Memang Loaf ni dia ada sukar sikit, so you need to tengok betul-betul video ni. Okay, kalau you tengok betul-betul video ni, insyaAllah okay, you boleh faham okay, bagaimana you nak applykan Loaf di dalam 3D solid modeling ni. Okay guys, so I think that's all. Thank you very much for your attention, and I will see you in our next coming video. Thank you very much.